Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device, and once it is opened up, proceed with logging into your account using your credentials or your biometrics. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page, from which if you wish to verify your account and increase your transaction limit, then tap on any cryptocurrency. You will now see the receive option. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will ask you to verify your ID. Tap on the ID verification option and you will be asked to fill up your details. Choose your country and then choose your document type. You can choose from your passport, your identity card, or your driver's license. After choosing the document type, enter your country of address, your region or your state, followed by your city and your full address. Finally, enter the postal code and tap on the proceed button, and you will be asked to submit a photo of the document type that you selected. After you upload your photo of the document type, you can proceed forward, and you may also be asked to appear in front of the camera to take a few photos in order to verify that you are a human. After proceeding forward with this final step, your details will be submitted for review, and once you pass the review, your account will be verified. And there you have it. That is how you can verify your account on the Paxful application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.